Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm crocheting this lace. This can be used as bookmark, put the tassel on it, put the beads on it and use as a bracelet. I put the bead at the end to fasten it. I've made it a little bit bigger because I will be using this as anklet. Bracelet, anklet. You can use it as a choker, put around your neck. Very good thing for summer, very fun and very easy to make. If my crochet is a little bit fast, you can always adjust the speed. In the right top corner you will see 3 dots under the settings, and you adjust the speed, make it slower, that you can catch up. I've been using hook number 5, 3mm to do my crochet. This is smaller hook number 2, 2mm to feed my beads through. I bought those beads on Amazon or eBay, not quite sure, sorry. And I'm using drops number 9 recycled cotton for this, but you can use any other yarn. So this one has 50 grams and 125 meters. I will start with the slip knot and make a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and then I will make a double crochet into the first chain, chain of 2, double crochet into the first chain, chain of 2, double crochet into the same first chain, row 1 is finished, chain of 4, double crochet into the second arch, one, chain of 2, double crochet into the same place, chain of 2, double crochet into the same place, row 2 has finished. If you want to add beads, this is approximately the size of my arm. We can add some beads in the middle. If you've got a pretty charms, feel free to add in the middle or at the end. I will try to add 3 beads here, here and maybe there. So if I count, it will be my 1, 2, 3rd row, end of 3rd row. So I will go for 3rd row, exactly the same, chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, double crochet into the second arch, chain of 2, double crochet into the same place, chain of 2, double crochet into the same space, chain of 4, if I want to add beads, I will take a smaller hook, I will take beads. At the moment I bought this lots of wooden one, I bought them, I think, on eBay or Amazon. I think Amazon, for just a few pounds. You can buy lots of pretty charms on Amazon or eBay. Then I will do it like this. These beads have got good size hole. If you haven't got beads with big size hole, you may need to fit, before you start crocheting, you must need to fit those beads on your string, and then as you go along, you will just pull them up, and there you are. So I'm lucky enough to have good size beads. I was trying to find the one with the big hole. So I've made 3, then I fit the bead, then I made 1 more chain, and I continue my row. In the second arch I will go, I forgot to change my hook. This is number 2 millimeter, by the way. So I'm going back to my hook number 5, 3 millimeter, and double crochet into the second arch. 1, chain of 2, chain of 2, double crochet into the same space. If I do it too fast for you, you can always click on the 3 dots on the right corner of your right top corner of your video and adjust the speed, make it a little bit slower. Chain of 4, double crochet into the second arch, chain of 2, double crochet into the second arch, chain of 2, double crochet into the second arch. Chain of 4. I will make chain of 3, add 1 more bead, change my hook, it is a little bit fiddly, but it's only 3 beads. So if you want it very nice and pretty, you have to try your best. And 1 more chain. Don't forget to change your hook. And double crochet into the second arch. We'll go 1, chain of 2, double crochet into the second arch, chain of 2, double crochet. This is our row. Pull those beads outside, chain of 4, and do exactly the same. Double crochet into the second arch, chain of 2, double crochet. I will add another bead here, chain of 3, chain my hook, and the last bead. You see, the third time is very easy. The more you do it, the easier it is. Practice makes it perfect, I would say. So maybe a couple more rows. As I said, this can be your bracelet, this can be your anklet, or this could be bookmark, this could be your choker. any color, any beads, you know, you can fit it anywhere you like. Basically you can do it with any border pattern, any lace pattern. I will do a couple more rows and then I will show how I would fasten it. This fits around my ankle, and to finish it off I might use this one as a loop and attach here any button on the end, or I will just stick to my beads. I found a little bit bigger than I attached to my bracelet, and just stick it at the end. This is how it would look. Or another type, you can separate here, or maybe make 2 chains, 1 chain, 2 chain, put the bead at the end and feed it through the holes and tie it like that. So lots of choices, lots of possibilities. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. I hope to see you again. Bye.